Hello students, I am Sudarshan Pal. Welcome to my channel Fundamental Zoology. Today's topic is economic importance of bacteria. Bacteria helps in nitrogen fixation. The example of nitrogen fixing bacterium are Rhizobium, Clostridium. These bacteria increase the fertility of the soil. Some bacteria are useful in biofertilizer formation. The biofertilizer forming bacteria makes biofertilizer by using inorganic or organic bacterial source. Lactobacillus helps in lactic acid formation from starch. Acetobacter helps in acetic acid formation by using alcohol and oxygen. Some bacteria are used in antibiotics production. Here is the list of bacteria with antibiotics name and their activity. Amphotericin helps in antifungal activity which is produced from Streptomyces nodosus. Neomycin is produced from Streptomyces faraday which is antibacterial in nature. Tetracycline is an antibacterial which is made from Streptomyces species. Vaccine production. Anthrax vaccine is produced from the bacteria Bacillus anthrax which prevent anthrax disease. BCG also produced from bacteria which prevents tuberculosis. Killed Vibria cholerae is used to make vaccine cholera virus. Bacteria are also used in vitamin production. Riboflavin or vitamin B2 is produced from Clostridium and cyanocobalamin or vitamin B12 is produced from Pseudomonas denitrifica. Some bacteria are also used in enzyme production. Alpha amylase is an enzyme which is produced from Bacillus licheniformis and xylose isomerase is produced from Bacillus coagulans. Bacteria are also used as biopesticide. These are used to kill insects. Bacillus sphaericus is used to control mosquito of a particular area. Bacteria are also used in recombinant DNA technology as a vector.